That could be fun. What time does it close, though?
Hey there.
Do that, yeah.
So I posted a photo of myself on Reddit, and someone wrote, "I'd fap to that."
What does fap mean?
I gotta go. There's a lot to unpack here. Let's have a seat. Fap is a euphemism for masturbation. It's a onomatopoeia, actually. It's kind of fap. See what I'm saying?
Well, that can't be right. Why would someone say that?
What subreddit did you post it on?
r/daddies. What? I'm a dad.
Oh, that can't be right. Fap is not the sound of masturbation. No, it's more like... What? Slurf, slurf, slurf.
I think it's more of a
Slurf. Slurf.
sound.
Slurf. Slurf.
See? Schliff.
No, honey. Slurf. Slurf.
No, listen.
No, sweetheart. Listen to my sound. Slurf.
It's kind of wet.